How to delete messages on Tinder. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Tinder. After that, you have to log into your account. So in order to see the message, you have to tap on the message option, which is in the lower section right next to the profile icon. After that, you can see the message someone has sent or you have sent to the person. So if you want to delete the message and there is no any feature for deleting the individual message, if you tap and hold the message, then you will only be able to see the copy option, but there is no any option for deleting the message. So in order to delete your message, you have to delete your whole entire conversation. In order to disappear the whole conversation, you have to unmatch someone so that only your whole conversation will be deleted. For unmatching that, you have to tap on the trophy icon, which is in the right upper corner, and from here you can see there is a unmatch option. So simply tap on unmatch, and here you have to once again select yes unmatch option, and by doing that the entire conversation is deleted and also your message is deleted. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.